Ever wanted to give your profile a personal touch by changing your name? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll guide you to the simple steps of changing your name in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. So changing your name on Monopoly Go is actually super easy. So first things first, open up the Monopoly Go app and find those three lines up in the top right corner of your screen. Once you see it, give it a tap and then click on your profile picture. Now, right beside your current name, you will see a handy pencil tool. So simply tap on it and you will enter the editing mode for your name. And this is where the magic happens. Now, type in the fantastic new name you've chosen and take your time to make sure it's just right. And once you're satisfied and ready to make it official, just look for the submit button, usually at the bottom of the screen. Just give it a tap and that's it. Your name is successfully updated. Just a quick heads up that you can only change your name for free 3 times. And once you've edited your name, it will be proudly displayed on your Monopoly Go profile for your next gaming adventure. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.